Hi everybody, Shamaya here, standing inside Kosairs Children's Hospital. This hospital is one of 4 run by Norton Healthcare. Norton Healthcare also has 10 immediate care centers, almost 10,000 employees, 280 medical providers at some 50 locations, and nearly 2,000 total physicians on its medical staff. Whew. With all that healthcare going on, I figure I better bring some supplies of my own just so I can fit in. Let's see if I'll need any of this stuff. Come on in. I'm here with Shelly of Norton Healthcare. Now, Shelly, what do you do here at Norton?
I'm the Director of Managed Care, and I help negotiate the insurance contracts as well as identify any problems or concerns that we have and proactively seek solutions with the insurance companies.
I have my gloves, mask, and my heart pulse checker thingy, and I bought the third season of Scrubs on DVD, so I am ready to pitch in whenever things get out of control. I am so psyched.
Hold on there. We have plenty of people here at Norton Healthcare to help you with those kind of jobs. So why don't you sit back, relax, and enjoy your time at Norton Healthcare.
Okay, so I just wasted $5 on props. Hey, you be careful with that. I have receipts. Maybe I can get my money back? Well, anyways, what kind of work does get done here and who does it?
Well, Norton Healthcare is Louisville's healthcare leader. We believe patients expect respect, compassion, quality of care, and medical innovation. That's why we do more. We provide more screenings, more healthcare education, more locations, just more opportunities for our patients.
It sounds like you're saying bigger is better.
Well, in some cases it is. We believe more physicians provide more personal care for our patients, more locations provides more convenience for our patients, and more technology provides less wait times in our emergency rooms as well as routine checkups. And it takes a lot of people to facilitate such an effort, so we provide jobs for the community as well.
So, you said that you're the Director of Managed Care here. What type of experience and education do you need to do a job like yours?
Well, I have my undergraduate degree in business administration and I'm working towards my master's. And in my 12 years experience, I've done billing and coding all the way back to the front office.
You mentioned that Norton Healthcare is an innovator. What did you mean by that?
Well, we have many service lines with top-notch technology, including Norton Orthopedics, Neurospine, Cardiology, and our Cancer Prevention Center. For example, we have our eye MRI, the only one in the region, which is an interoperative MRI machine, which allows us to take an MRI during operation.
Wow, I had no idea Norton Healthcare provided all that.
We're one of the fastest growing industries in the country. That's why I love my job. It's challenging and I'm learning something new every day.
Tell us about some of the careers available here at Norton Healthcare. What type of people and skills are you looking for?
Well, as I mentioned, there's many jobs here at Norton Healthcare. It really depends on the interest that you have. Some require certification and many require a college degree, and many require working well under pressure.
What is a typical entry-level job?
Well, even though we have many jobs that require certification and education, there's still many opportunities in healthcare. For example, if you have great attention to detail, you may try dietary or environmental services, or if you're more of a people person, you may try unit secretary. Again, it really depends on what you're interested in.
But you mentioned about getting a job that matches your personal interests. Peeking in your office, I noticed that you competed in the Ironman competition. What personal skills have you gained that translate to the office?
Well, to complete an Ironman, it takes a lot of commitment and perseverance, a lot of goal setting, and I try to set goals for myself both personally and professionally.
You mentioned that you're the Director of Managed Care. If you ever decided to move in a different direction, what type of careers would be available to you?
Well, as I mentioned earlier, I do have my undergraduate degree in business administration and I'm working towards my master's, so I believe I have many opportunities. But if I decided to leave Norton Healthcare, I believe with my healthcare experience, I have endless opportunities.
I gotcha. Hey, thanks for your time today.